Do you want a cheap and easy way to keep what you do on the internet anonymous and secure? Try ProXPN. For $6.25 a month, you can safely surf the web anywhere in the world. Do you travel a lot? With ProXPN, you can even get on websites such as YouTube and Netflix that are blocked in some countries. Devices currently supported with premium membership are Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. ProXPN, keeping you anonymous since 2009. Try today. Link in the description below.
Hello, YouTube. Today we're looking at something I got at Five Below a week ago, or a week or two ago. Five Below, $5 for this. Five Below, $5. It's called the Jaxx Flame Speaker LED Light Up Effect. High quality sound, outdoor portable, rechargeable Li-ion battery, 3.7 volts. And you can see the design on the side of it. Right there. It does give you look like this. It really does. And this thing is more, like, you think it'd be a great nightlight. It would be for a little kid. But for me being older than a little kid, it's kind of like difficult for me to sleep with any kind of light on anymore. Even if you want to feel like security and safe. This isn't super bright, but it still keeps me awake. So I end up like turning it off after an hour just laying there. But yes, it comes charged up. It only takes 2 hours to charge up. Here's what it is. Here's what it looks like. It looks like a futuristic lantern. And it does flicker. The lights do flicker. It comes with a micro USB Android charging cable. I don't know if it's a sync cable, if you need like a backup for your older Android phone, since a lot of phones are using USB-C. Comes with a protective casing right here. Another protective casing right here. When you open it up, comes with the manual, which, you know, I mean, if you're an old person, you might need it, but younger people don't really need the manual right there. There it is, boom. And, I may have let me check. I might have been wrong about that. It might not actually come with, but anyway, it might not come with a charge cable. I could be wrong. You might have to provide it yourself. I'm sorry. So I know for a fact that it comes with the auxiliary cable. So you plug this into the speaker right there in one of those ports, and then into your phone. And that's how you get the sound. The sound is okay. Not the best. I would consider it low to mid-quality sound. Okay, mid-quality, because radio sound is like with the, you know, that. It's mid-quality, not high-quality sound. You're not going to get high-quality sound out of this. Unless you keep your phone music level really, really low, about like 50%, then you might get high-quality sound. If you have it higher than that, you're going to get a lot of bass. And a lot of people like bass. But you could also use these for camping, in your camper, hanging up in like a background like mine, but, you know, hanging up, have like 3 or 4 of them just flickering. You can do like a cool night. You can make it look like, get a black screen, like this is a black screen, and role play if you're having like a scene in your independent film where you're camping. You don't have to actually go outside, get a black screen out, put like 3 or 4 of these, hang it, and then you can act like, you know, put your actors in front of the screen, act like you're outside eating like beans and stuff, having your camping scene for your film. Great for stage plays. $5, Five Below. They have these online for $30, $40, $80. Some of them don't have Bluetooth. This one does not have Bluetooth. There's another one at Five Below for $5 that I guess I picked up the wrong box, had Bluetooth. The $30 and $40, $50 ones online on eBay and Amazon have Bluetooth, and they're the same size or bigger, or some of them don't have Bluetooth, and it's the exact same one of this with a different company name on it, and it has auxiliary, and it's still selling $40, $50, so that's, you know, quite odd. And Five Below does have these online. They do sell them on their website, $5, same shipping, I don't know what it is. Speakers on the top right here, kind of like hidden under this thing. It has the auxiliary port, the charge port, and the on-off switch. Here we go. See it flickering? It's kind of hard to see it flickering. If you look at my arm, you can see the flicker. I do have a light on, so let me see if I can turn off this light for a second. And you can kind of see it a little better. There we go. I don't know what the hell fell. What was that fell? My charge cable fell. Holy hell, I was looking for this yesterday. But yeah. There you go. Now you can see it flicker. It's better in real life. You can see a lot better in real life. And I kept this on for like like 6 hours, so it's a little dim, but not too dim. It's a really cool thing, and then people are going to say, hey, man, where's the music at, man? Where's your music at? Let me go get a device that has music. This is a song called Hitman by Kevin MacLeod on the Max output of my Samsung Galaxy Active tablet. Your phone may have louder output, may have softer output. This is with the default settings. There's no bass, there's no equalizer. Royalty-free song played through the lantern. Alright, you notice that it had like the radio sound, the bass was really kicking and when it hit the when it clipped. But if you turn the volume settings down, as I mentioned earlier, you can get that to go away. Then you turn it up all the way and you get the clipping. So basically, I really didn't buy this to listen to music. I have a whole bunch of things like this that are Bluetooth or that just have auxiliary that I use every once in a while for wireless sound. This one being wired is a big disadvantage, but that doesn't make it worthless. I bought it as a prop for films. I plan on buying 4 or 5 more of these to hang up behind and give like the feeling of illusion of being outside camping, or a holiday feeling as well. A Halloween feeling, and it's worth it for the $5 at Five Below, 100% online, in store, anytime. Great, it's great. Doesn't matter. You need to buy one of these if you're into what I've described. If you want a great, cute little media player, you can hang it. You can just look at it. Night lights for your kids. Set the atmosphere. Maybe you're camping in the house and you don't want to actually burn it down with real candles or lanterns. You can use this. Role playing. You can even make this like an orb of power going up against a dragon god in your fan film of whatever, your movie, your cinematic tastes, things like that. It's great. Definitely worth it. $5, Five Below, 555, 555, 555, 555.